Fantastic morning, Samuel Kwaba. Samuel Kwaba, the big up Jumadi show, Master Yemen Sama, Koso, a good year, some of the Dawson. Yes, a fantastic hotel on Paya, Chichikufu, de bro, Katewesi, and you do Arabia, yes, game pack. I can't game pack here, I game for our bank of 4, and I'm so did Jessica, and I pick 4. And of course, I say pick 1 air bar weekend, the more launching in India, yes, get to a crack, and no order one number, not a 1 number neguso. Send me 11-9 here, and I am a birthday, maybe I pick 2, and maybe I want we pick 4, and I come from 0 to 9. Now where you 4 numbers at the fimo where this get your go bottom. To be our other numbers been there. We will soon work and sepa near the other Nino, but me for so this guy will bottom one or pay 9 I drawback about Adom TV so 12 Messiah back on a face 6 p.m. on my back Nina Adom TV so no one say woody in a day, but me and son. Anya some keto akranko fosika omudi enye easy ti fa hojim nipa nsahwe betumi enso akọ gamepackgames.com our online or don hwajim or app store and our play store so download the game pack ade na obetumi don hwajim papa ne ade a richoko no pay na si mani mu ni ne twimonu nipa nsahwe no ze kama richoko amaka me hono pay na ade sam na de bro ewo Badwam Jomadi so Kejwana Kasane Erica Siedu where Sergio Manucho Bena Padibo Chemi producers now Yabashasi area feed the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana Amwa Kachina no Central African Republic by Yeshua Moboko Liberia Esabe Joshua Moboko Accra Sports Stadium. Now the game against Liberia, 2 local players Enya Kwenya Esia Kindema Ghana. Yes, and of course a striker Jonathan Sowa and a Fatao, a fullback. Now after the game, Chris Hutton Akasa for local players or now Kwenya de Momo Momusia Kindema Ghana now.
I'm very, very conscious of what any introduction into the camp from local players. I'm very, very conscious of that, and that's why I stay here for periods to watch as many games as I can here. But it's always going to be about competition, and when it comes to whatever squad, I have to pick the whatever it is 24, 25 man squad that I think is the best squad to get the result that we need to get. Sometimes injuries can give others an opportunity, and we of course had an opportunity for 2, both players from Badwam. And I think both done well, and particularly Jonathan coming on in that last minute and giving the team a real lift, I think, in that period, particularly when the game opens up. But really pleased for Hamid as well to make his debut. So I think that's probably for them too. I think that's great encouragement. It's great encouragement for more of our local players to want to aspire to.
Yes. Right, Chris Hutton, coach Panibanda about Black Stars. Then some other 2 year for the 2 local players in Yakunya Siakan at my Black Stars Nanwa Dawaka Sports Stadium. Now you feel in copy with the Ghanaian Premier League this weekend. Chassis the Indian Sam Kotwaso and they are tuned at Siano or Tamale 6 p.m. at a feed. I shall answer farm now. Yeah, can on Asemono. The Bayer fans Beko Stadium, the Bakwa, teams Nibi Brina, issue on Sanso, the Ghana Football Association, and Penny for a baby Omokan Yadia, Okopim or Samates, General Manager Ed Monaka, or then some Kakria to be actually one. So, Quaya, JD is a fans, no, class a bit my normal bus stadium of home games.
But me, club, baby, I mean, club managing ball. So what I say, you know, we must all think together.
I'm special.
Say maybe a tremor and also a class was doing what I have matters said you summer boy. I never quite your say, yeah, I go into football institution. Said it will be Salmon. He says he be beside home, so question. No equalization. Oh, who's on park new India? Share Uko a baby, you know, a coffee. In fact, you can't be a baller. Your boss, some boy near about a baby. They about Doma. Now I bought Brukum near there. Say, maybe a chum was not higher more. It is say a trans DBC say, didn't you know you say, you know, your Bobo and conformer. But I don't know your equalization, no dance a paper solution. Quite a board, so from the board to management, you get almost will be a community around some boy in any power. See a match na yes match we kotokoba o said the yankrofo bebre kotokoba has ba oh no be meji 100 meji we say other team ba no 10 cities you take this out decision you can say because kotokoba you will not need the supporters we will still go back to them and discuss how much we should charge at the gate.
Wow, you do all these things.
It to be jam on 2 weeks, then they will bring the feedback say yes performance more percent moji 80 but if you say you 50 and boy sir okay the get to mpe na fe na ye de communicate ababonti.
Right, Mr. Monaka, General Manager, Summer Test Football Club or Summer Boy. Now, what is Sergeant Chena Tuja? You go so can Premier League on 7 team for Friday, what Balik in Nations FC. Now, I'm one crying, Hanon, we on preseason near the idea. I don't bet boy, Jumani has a cry, a ball friendly game near the now. Bernard Paddy will trap Borrow company, my train come on, ABC almost says, season by no, the name share the moon from Fiomo.
2023-2024 Ghana Premier League no nyame Adom bibia metwam a na wotwe wie ye de awokense ni na behyehyɛ so na teams no dodo na de egu ahomboa so Nations FC Premier League side abepiem Ghana Premier League ni mu this season omo purchase enye fedi agro na mo abo friendly matches du ba ko omo wini nkron elosu mienu coach ani din de Kasimingo the nsem dodo na atudwa purchase omo ya ahomboa yie pa de atwa new season na
pre-season there oh yeah na you are winning all your matches. It's not good. You have to lose some of the matches so that where you went wrong that match, then you correct it. So it's good. We won most of the matches and we lost one of.
Going into the season, how prepared is Nations FC?
We are well prepared. We are well prepared. No, we started earlier, and it's a new team we are building. It's a new team. Most of those who play and Division 1 are not in the team. How only few of them in. So it's a new team complete that we are building. So building a new team is not easy to build a new team. Well, it's work in progress. We will get there.
Obayeno, Osha materials ekuta Nations FC. Mubekim.
We're going to make an impact in the league. You want to get to the top. And you know we want to compete with those at the top.
First 5.
Those are the top. We want to compete with them.
Right, Coach Kasimengel, Coach Demand Nations FC. Then somebody to John on Rachel Coast still. Come up, Anopabia, Kragum, and say yes. The Padiana Sisi, of course, in any new hot Rachel Comunia, some Ketuan Peninum, Qualanum, and what are you waiting for breakfast near Rachel now? And Copium Metema, Comasa, Sante Kotoko, one more catch it. Now, almost so well, be possible, one more precis in a Yasam Ketuakra, former Chief Executive Officer, Edma Bobokuno. Dr. KK Sapon, yes, executive chairman partner, who didn't creep. Our Quaco team no, and your interact at Cham said, Jumadi Bobby, a Kadiaka season, Ebano, I'm on say, Kotoquanim. Park, yes, and my memo was Cranny Game Park and numbers, and I can be as who ye be a few more this go butomo. Yes, dial or phone to see for phone dial it, star 946 hash, star 946 hash. Na follow the edition na diska efa ego bottom na the Ghanaian Premier League wasama na ye kind House of Folk omni RTU na tia no eda eshna ebo tamale now Kevin Osasi be a new player House of Folk for sign or say wa mediagro oba be ginemo de den part atopampim wa kire e dem akra to folk.
Kevin say SB I player there always know he do his best to make the supporters happy and at the same time metie na me coaches and the team yenyina ye ediabom no enti say omuhu me a enam so amane mabeka phobians for no me the same thing na amababi atwa say fire into mapa efra bia no e be fire into mapa e dey fair in the area attack I'm a king in the area attack. And at the same time, I have speed and physically I'm strong. You can see me, maybe I'm a slim guy or whatever, but physically I'm strong. So, let's say I come to my na yina Adom pay any support, yina yakaya huma boom. Na baby trase ya fire into my pa edi efrano me mabeka timi hono me put me maximum best. Say near Namso, Monigeno, Modemi Bar, Fidiamo, Miss Mabi Piano, and say no one may be a man broso, Sena Bribiano, Monibeji.
Right, and on this, Kevin Osai too. And I am copying more the African Paralympic Committee President Samson Dean in Samoa or the Atuja and China. Ghana, you hosted the African Para Games. Benevi successfully Ghana. 1 or 2 medals here and there. And Samson Dean and in Samoa to just say or Bonwabaso. So I lead Yama games near to me host you Ghana successfully.
The African Paralympic Committee and the Ministry of Youth and Sport, the government of the Republic of Ghana, the President of the nation, Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, and my Honorable Minister, Honorable Mustafa Yusuf. We want to say a very big thank you to you all. We are very much hopeful that the qualifications to Paris 2024, as we said, we will do it on our own soil. We've been able to achieve it. Congratulations to Morocco, congratulations to Algeria, congratulations to Egypt, and congratulations to South Africa for making Africa proud.
Right, Menone and Samoa, Mr. Samson Dean, Africa Paralympic Committee President. What do you have to drag Game Park, yes, dial it star 946 hash na fa hojim that is for go bottom or selected 4 numbers or they say pick one so about 1 number na sika obedinya sam ketra kra they say sika ni krom ti kwanya banners of fa so diska na legitimate na kwambon nya kwambon so na de ho agim ni ade Game Park and I make am for the amount Samson na Richoko na no pay a hot what you say me wi pa me pe brodo be say e de aka hona me de atwam breakfast Richoko papa omo kan ho abrebiana that is samurai de ebrewo bedwam so I can see it imagine so area see bana party bo twa me producer Sergio Manucho e kan ho den ka shane so say wo de nankasa beka kejwane ho Eric asie do boadi ko so ahwe bedwam